Hey everyone, Gracie here. We've got a little change of scenery today. I am at the beautiful 4-star greenhouse here in Carlton, Michigan, and I am so excited to be here. If you don't know, Proven Winners is the leading plant brand worldwide. I'm sure you probably recognize that easy to spot label. The brand here in North America is owned by 2 US plant propagators, one of which is 4-Star Greenhouse. As a local Michigan business, we are lucky to have 4-Star so close to home and grateful for our incredible partnership with them. The goal at English Gardens has always been to bring our customers the best of the best, which is why we partner with 4-Star and Proven Winners. So together, we can bring you the highest quality plants and the products you need to help them grow. With more than 250 varieties available, English Gardens carries the area's largest selection of Proven Winners annuals, perennials, and shrubs. Proven Winners plants are renowned for their uniqueness, superb garden performance, growth habits, and disease resistance. The plant selection and control processes here at 4-Star are unmatched and ensure absolute success time and time again. Did you know that every single Proven Winners plant has been screened of all plant disease and viral organisms before it is sent out to its respective retailer? How incredible is that? Through our partnership, English Gardens receives only the best hand-picked plants and flowers that our customers like you then purchase to beautify their homes. It truly does come full circle. And the operation here at 4-Star is incredible. I have never stepped foot into such a spotless and well taken care of facility. Not to mention, the staff here is just amazing. Absolutely first class in everything that they do. And you may actually see some of these folks in our stores sometimes. The English Gardens 4-Star partnership allows the Proven Winners experts to come directly into our spaces to restock our Proven Winners displays, check on the health and success of the plants, and note any changes in products so that we can always be bringing you what you want. I am standing here in the display gardens at 4-Star, and this place is so remarkable, full of so much color and lush green life. I love it here. And this is actually where the teams here plant all the different varieties of annuals, perennials, shrubs, and they see how they perform in actual settings that their customers might have at home. So things like garden beds and container gardens, lush hanging baskets. It is amazing. I have discovered so many new unique plants today, and I want to show you some of my favorite things. So this is one of my favorite areas of the display gardens. It's this beautiful pathway lined with these amazing, huge custom combo pots full of all different varieties and amazing colors and textures. We got the bright, like rainforesty tropical green, and then all these pinks and purples and yellows. I just love it here. So much to look at. And I wanted to show you some of my favorites that I've seen. Lots of new stuff included in these combos. So one of the new ones is the Newly Noir Coleus. I love Coleus. I love it in containers. And especially this like dark purple chocolatey hue. It's amazing. And how cute are these Verbena cake pops, they're called. They do look exactly like cake pops, good enough to eat. I love those with the pink and purple colors. Cannot go wrong with the Lobelia. This is the sky blue. And I will say the blue hue is sometimes hard to incorporate in your garden. It's hard to find. This is a great pick for that. And geraniums, you cannot go wrong with those, especially here in Michigan. They do great. And this is a new color they put together, this vibrant, bold coral, which is awesome. And last but not least, this tall guy here, he is the Prince Tut Papyrus. Love that. Looks like a rainforest for sure. It looks great in these combo pots. Just provides a really nice full look. So another cool thing I learned today is how committed the teams here are to improving products and making changes for better garden performance. So they'll take note of any feedback from growers and retailers about products that maybe weren't up to par or didn't grow as expected, and they'll change them up so they perform better next year. One great example, the Supervenia Imperial Blue Verbena is beautiful, this bold purple. This one features a much earlier bloom time, which people were looking for, and also better color coverage, so you can see it's fuller and it really looks nice in that pot there. And same with the luscious Citron Lantana. Again, this has just got those larger, bolder, richer colors, this yellow here, and it's a good space filler as well. And one of my favorites today, the Blew My Mind XL, like I mentioned before, the blue, incorporating the blue in your containers can sometimes be hard. This is your guy right here. I have yet to see such a true blue flower like this, and it is super, super impressive. I love this one. Wow, what a day it has been here, and what a remarkable place. There is just so much to see here, so much luscious life and color. I don't even think we can do it justice in our short video, but don't worry, you too can visit here and see all this beauty for yourself, because the display gardens here at 4-Star are open to the public. So definitely give this place a visit, come check it out. I gotta say, it's a really nice retreat from our busy lives. And I just wanna give a huge shout out to 4-Star Greenhouse for allowing us to visit for today. We have had so much fun exploring, so much fun learning about all the different varieties and plants and how they're grown and how they perform, and all the processes in place here to bring our stores the best of the best. And you can stop into any English garden store to pick up all of your Proven Winners products and everything you need to help them grow successfully. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.